Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles and innovative travel gear. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our updates. Let's dive in. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that's redefining the way families travel in 2025, the Home Family Tiny Camper. Compact, smart, and surprisingly spacious, this tiny camper is making big waves among weekend warriors and minimalist adventurers. At first glance, the 2025 Home Family Tiny Camper doesn't scream luxury, but its true charm lies in its clever design and practical functionality. Built on a lightweight chassis with an aerodynamic frame, it's easy to tow even with smaller SUVs and crossovers, a major plus for families looking to avoid the hassle of upgrading their vehicle just to pull a camper. The exterior comes with a sleek matte finish, and the new model features upgraded solar panels on the roof for off-grid capabilities. That means more freedom for families to park, rest, and explore just about anywhere. It's also equipped with a retractable awning, outdoor lighting, and even a compact barbecue mount, perfect for campsite cookouts. Now, let's talk about the interior. Don't let the word tiny fool you. Inside, it's designed to maximize every inch of space. There's a convertible U-shaped dining area that turns into a queen-size bed, and a second fold-down bunk setup ideal for kids or guests. The camper sleeps four comfortably, making it a smart choice for small families. The kitchenette is surprisingly well equipped with a dual-burner stove, a mini fridge, a stainless steel sink, and smart storage compartments. It's functional without feeling cramped. The bathroom includes a compact wet bath. That's a combined toilet and shower, and it's ventilated well enough to avoid that dreaded moisture buildup. One standout feature this year is the new Smart Control Hub. Mounted next to the entrance, it lets users manage temperature, lighting, solar battery levels, and even monitor water usage, all from a single touchscreen or via the connected app. Talk about next-level convenience. Another cool upgrade in the 2025 model is its improved insulation and all-season package, making it ready for both summer adventures and chilly winter getaways. With optional heated floors and a roof-mounted AC unit, you're covered no matter the climate. Overall, the 2025 Home Family Tiny Camper is an incredible value proposition. It blends innovation, mobility, and comfort into a tight, easy-to-manage package. Whether you're taking a quick weekend trip or planning a longer journey with the kids, this camper has what it takes to be your home on the road. Thanks for watching this review on AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, share it with your fellow travelers, and let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Home Family Tiny Camper. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and road-tested insights. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your adventures rolling.